ओके सो फर्स्ट पार्ट कितें आसा की तुमच्याकडे जे व्हॅल्यूज आसा पळय 0 to 90 डिग्री दे आर ऑल इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट सो बेसिकली कितें आसा हे जे आमचे कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस आसा न्ही तेंच्यांनी हो फुल एरिया जो आसा तो 4 पार्टान डिवाइड केला क्वाड म्हटल्यार 4 दिस क्वाड स्टँड्स फॉर 4 ओके तुम्ही ऐकला आसतले क्वाड कोर प्रोसेसर ऑक्टा म्हटल्यार 8 कोर आसता क्वाड म्हटल्यार 4 आसता सो क्वाड्रंट म्हटल्यार कितें 4 पार्ट्सान डिवाइड केल्ले आसा फुल आमच्या एरियेन हो जो पार्ट आसा तो आसा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट okay this part is the second quadrant this part is the third quadrant and this is the fourth quadrant okay so 1 2 3 4 these are the four quadrants now we will see in which quadrant how exactly sine and cos are behaving आता तुमच्याकडे जे व्हॅल्यूज आसा 30 45 60 90 they are all falling in the first quadrant आमचो 0 डिग्री असता तो ऑलवेज हांगासर असता right pi by 2 as a answer on this side we are getting the value pi and over here we have 3 pi by 2 okay so तुमका जे values दिल्ले आशिल्ले 10 ता they all were from the first quadrant where the angle was 30 degree 45 degree 60 degrees and 90 degrees and all right so this time now we will be calculating what are the values of trigonometric functions म्हणजे कोणची sin cos tan sec cosec and cot what are the values of this function in other quadrants that is the second quadrant third quadrant and the fourth quadrant so you guys remember that x axis belongs to cos and y axis belongs to sin okay tell me in the first quadrant do you know that x axis is positive here this is the positive x axis and y-axis is also positive. In the second quadrant, what happens to the x-axis? Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, very good. But what about the y-axis? It is still positive, right? Then come to the third quadrant. You will observe that in the third quadrant, we are dealing with negative x-axis. And the y-axis is also negative, right? And finally, in the fourth quadrant,
negative.
You are aware that x-axis belongs to cos and y-axis belongs to sine. So cos, sine. Cos and sine. If you remember this, telling you, you will save at least 72 equations part मारपाचे त्रास तुमचे कमी जातील. All you should remember that in the first quadrant, cos and sine both are positive here. In the second quadrant, cos is negative because x-axis is negative and sine is positive. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, sine is also negative. And in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive and sine is negative. Always remember cosaची axis, x-axis. So x-axis जेन्ना positive असतली, तेन्ना cos positive असतलो. So first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay? आणि x-axis जेन्ना negative असतली, तेन्ना cos negative असतलो. Second and third quadrant. Similarly, y-axis असता ती sinaची. So positive y-axis first and second quadrant sine will be positive and y-axis negative so that is third and fourth quadrant sine will be negative. आता आम्ही cos आणि sin बद्दलच कित्याक उलयला sec cosec tan cot बद्दल कित्याक उलयना because those values are dependent on sin and cos so obviously जेन्ना sin positive असतलो तेन्ना cosec positive असतलो or sin negative असतलो तेन्ना cosec negative जातलो because cosec कोणाचेर डिपेंड आसा सायनाचेर डिपेंड सिमिलरली cosचेर कोण डिपेंड आसा sec न्ही is that correct sec is dependent on cos so whenever cos is positive sec will also be positive whenever cos is negative sec will also become negative now tan आणि cot जो आसा पळय तो कोणाचेर डिपेंड आसा, sin आणि cos दोगांचेरूय डिपेंड आसा, and it's a ratio, right? It's a ratio. So whenever sin and cos both are positive, tan will also be positive. Jenna the plus minus available, then the tan will become negative. Okay? When they are becoming both negative, so minus sign minus cos दोन्ही negative असले, negative negative cancel जातले आणि tan x किती जातलो हांगा positive जातलो आणि परत फोर्थ क्वाड्रंटान tan किती जातलो, tan आणि cot दोन्ही negative जातले कित्याक एक positive असा एक negative असा. So let us continue now with this in second quadrant, third quadrant problems कसे येऊ शकतात. Okay. So before we go to that, one thing is just write down these trigonometric identities from 10th standard. तर तुम्ही डायरेक्टली स्टार बरोवू शकता, या बुकाचेर बरोवपाची गरज ना. That is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Total तीन आशिल्ले तुमकां 10th standard identities from trigonometry. One is sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now going to this part, second quadrant, third quadrant. First thing that you should remember is this. This is a thumb rule that I am giving you, that whenever you see pi by 2, just write down this. Whenever you see, when you see pi by 2, you have to think of correlation. You have to think of correlation and correct sign. You have to think of co-ratio and correct sign. Whenever you see pi by 2, whenever you see pi by 2, think of co-ratio and correct sign. आता co-ratio म्हटल्यार कितें? साइन आसा त्याचो co-ratio कोण? cos. Cos म्हणजे actually cosine. Do you know that? This sin आम्ही बरयता ते actually SINE, sine, and this is cosine. Tan म्हटल्यार tangent and cot म्हटल्यार cotangent. Okay, so tan cot हे दोघे एकामेकाचे co-ratio आणि sec जो आम्ही बरयता that is actually secant आणि cosec जो बरयता तो actually cosecant. Okay, I think the 10th आशिल्ले. That na forget it. But just remember that sinaचो co-ratio cos, cosaचो co-ratio sin, tanaचो co-ratio cot, cotaचो tan. Sec आणि cosec एकामेकाचे co-ratio. Okay, pair कशे ते? Okay. हे बरया एकामेकाचे co-ratio. They are co-ratios of each other. So whenever you see pi by 2, you will have to think of co-ratio and correct sign. So let us start now. What is the value of sine of pi by 2 minus theta? Okay. So now immediately पहिले तुम्ही किती बघितले answer pi by 2 बरेल. So what you will think? You will think of co-ratio. What is the co-ratio of sine? It is cos. So we will write cos theta. Okay, we will write cos theta. Problems मागीर करूया. पहिले तुमका टेक्निक शिकयता. प्रॉब्लेम मागीर पळोवया. sin of pi by 2 minus theta आसा. So pi by 2 पयलो आणि हाजो co-ratio हांगा पळयलो. theta कॉपी पेस्ट करपाचो. आता कितें उरले? co-ratio जालो. दुसरे कितें आशिल्ले? correct sign. Okay, correct sign खातीर हांगासर पळयलो. See, pi by 2 is there. Do you know where is pi by 2? It is here. आता एंगल जे असता पळय आम्ही एंगल जे मेजर करता ते ऑलवेज कशे असता? इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 आणि पॉझिटिव्ह जे असता ते आवटेन असता. This is the positive direction. Then what is the negative direction? This way. Okay. So ये एंगल जर आम्ही पळयले नी, it is pi by 2 आणि मायनस थीटा केला. सो थीटा जो व्हॅल्यू असा तो मायनस केला म्हणजे तो खंयच्या वाटेन येतलो? या वाटेन येतलो. So where are we reaching? We are reaching the first quadrant. Correct? They are reaching where? They are reaching the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, sine is positive. So this value will be positive. This value will be positive. Okay. Starting तुमका माशे confusing दिसतले, but it is जशे आम्ही problems or method आम्ही पुढे शिकतले पळय clear जातले. Okay. दुसरा example बघूया आता. Tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Starting किती करता आम्ही पहिले आन्सर pi by 2 दिला. सो आम्ही किती बघितले 4 रेशो बघितले. tan चा 4 रेशो किती cot. theta copy paste. आता एंगल बघितले pi by 2 minus theta. pi by 2 positive minus theta. Where are we reaching? We are reaching here, first quadrant. In the first quadrant, tan is positive. This is positive. Okay? And एक problem करेगा. Cos of pi by 2 plus theta. So the moment we see pi by 2, we think of co-ratio. Cos as a co-ratio called sin. And now we have to think of correction. Pi by 2 plus theta, plus as a theta. Now observe here. This is 0 plus pi by 2 plus theta. Where we have reached? We have reached second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. So the answer will be minus. So this is how we will be working. आता थीटा जो असा पळय व्हॅल्यू त्याच्या जाग्यार आता वेगळो व्हॅल्यूज तुमका घालून क्वेश्चन असतलो. So before we go to that, we'll just see some more examples. If we have cosec of pi by 2 plus theta. So whenever we see pi by 2, we think of co-ratio, cosec as a co-ratio of sec theta. And pi by 2 plus theta, so second quadrant for pi by 2 plus theta. Second quadrant, okay, cosec is related to sine. Okay, so it will be then let's take cot of pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta, second quadrant का cot negative मतलब कि एक positive एक negative असा so overall it will become negative and pi by 2 असा so co-ratio cot आलो 10. Okay. So आता problem इतना कसे घेतले पहिले. The question will be like this. Find the value of sine of pi by 2 minus pi by 4. Or let us take sine of pi by 2 plus pi by 4. So first thing that we will see is pi by 2 असा so co-ratio येतलो. Pi by 2 असा so co-ratio येतलो. Sine असा co-ratio म्हणजे cos. बघा थीटा आशिल्लो आता कोण असा pi by 4 असा. Okay? Cos of pi by 4. आणि कोणता क्वाड्रंट असा pi by 2 plus theta. So pi by 2 plus theta. So second quadrant मध्ये second quadrant and sin positive असा positive जातलो. So actually जर तुम्ही आता पहिले नाही ना pi by 2 म्हटल्यार 90, pi by 4 म्हटल्यार 45. तुम्ही जो व्हॅल्यू म्हाका आसता सांगलो पळय दॅट इज साइन ऑफ 135 डिग्री. तुमका 135 डिग्री डायरेक्ट विचारले सांगपाक जाता ना. Using this method you can tell me. Look, what you have told me just now is the value of sine of 135. So let us take another example here. अजून घेऊया cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 6. is equal to किती आहे cos of pi by 2 plus pi by 6. The moment we see pi by 2, we think of co-ratio. Cos as a co-ratio sine. So sine of 5/6 जातले. पॉझिटिव्ह काय नेगेटिव्ह येतलो?
Negative, sir. Minus.
Answer is minus half. Sin 30 is half. So हांगासर एक्चुअली आमी खंयचो व्हेरीफाय करना. 5/2 म्हटल्यार 90 डिग्री करेक्ट आसा. आणि 5/6 म्हटल्यार 30 डिग्री. हे तुमकां मातशें प्रॅक्टीस करचें पडटलें आं. 5/6 म्हटल्यार 30, 5/3 म्हटल्यार 60, 5/2 म्हटल्यार 90, 5 म्हटल्यार 180. कित्याक 10th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये आमी डिग्रीज घेवन उलयताले. 11th स्टँडर्ड ऑनवर्ड्स आमी रेडियन्सान उलयतले. So 90 plus 30 किती झाला 120. So basically cos of value तुम्ही काढला ना. This is cos of 120 degrees. What is the value of cos of 135 degrees? Cos of 135 degrees. Basically what is 135? It is cos of 90 plus 45. Okay. आता हे डिग्रीजान बरयला आहे. हांगासर हांव रेडियन्सान बरोवन दाखयता. तुम्हीच आन्सर सांगा. Cos of 5/2 plus 5/4. 5/4 बरयता. Very good. Cosaचो 4 रेशो साइन जालो. 5/4 कॉपी पेस्ट केले बेन. आणि दुसरे कितें उरले करेक्ट साइन उरली. So because it is in the second quadrant, right? 5/2 plus 5/4 plus असा न्ही. So 5/2 plus 5/4 so second quadrant is होता. Second quadrant cos जो असा तो नेगेटिव्ह असा. याचा बरोबर ना नेगेटिव्ह जातो. So आन्सर कितले येता 1/√2 minus. What is tan of 5/2 plus 5/4? Right. What is the final answer? -1. So what we saw was whenever we see 5/2, we write the co-ratio and then we copy the angle, whatever is the remaining angle. And this sign, the correct sign, is dependent on which quadrant it is and which identity it is. So plus असता तेन्ना 5/2 plus म्हणजे ते second quadrant होता. आणि तर tan theta नेगेटिव्ह असा म्हणून आम्ही हांगासर नेगेटिव्ह साइन घातला ती हांगासर रिफ्लेक्ट जाला. सो इतलो वेळ आम्ही 5/2 पळयले. लेट अस लुक एट 3π/2 now. Pi/2 सुद्धा सेम असा. Okay, just pay attention here. Right? एक याद दौरा. This is the positive direction of angle and this is the negative direction of angle. Okay, it's called as anti-clockwise direction. What's the direction? Anti-clockwise direction. And this is clockwise direction. So तुमचे nomenclature तुमचे जे साइन्स आसा त्यो anti-clockwise आसा ती positive, clockwise आसा ती negative. Okay, एंगलाची जी डायरेक्शन आसा anti-clockwise positive आणि clockwise negative आसा. सो आता आमी हो 3π/2 plus theta पळय. 3π/2 खंयच्या डायरेक्शनान आसा? Mark, can you tell me whether it is in the positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y? 3π/2 is in which direction?
Negative y.
Okay, now look here. 3π/2 asa. The moment you see π/2, वो 3 ignore मारा, completely ignore. Π/2 की पहिलो you will think of co-ratio. Sinaचा co-ratio कोण? Cos. Cos theta. आता correct sign बरोबर. Now I will look at this. Okay, this is 0 and we have come to 3π/2. So आम्ही full round मारला आणि आम्ही पळयला 3π/2 पळयला. आणि प्लस थीटा असा. प्लस थीटा म्हणजे खंय वयतलो तो? दिस डायरेक्शन, राइट? पॉझिटिव्ह डायरेक्शन म्हटल्यार एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. We will come to this. So which quadrant is this? Which quadrant is this? This is the
Fourth chord.
fourth quadrant, right? And in the fourth quadrant, sign is negative. So the answer of this will be minus cos theta. Okay, the answer of this will be minus cos theta. If we take an example, what is the value of sine of 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6? If we ask what is the value of 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6? Pi by 2, so 4 so. The correct sign 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6 plus म्हणजे ह्या डायरेक्शन आहे फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट नेगेटिव्ह मायनस what is cos of pi by 6 minus root 3 by 2 cos of 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 3 okay what will be the answer here yes pi by 3 म्हणजे 60 degree sin of 60 root 3 by 2 असा